Just now I came home from a ride. So here's the chase now. What happened? The time is somewhere around 21:54. So first I went to the nearest shop to get a mint. I got to see a doctor. So I had that mint and then I went to the doctor. I waited there. Then I took the what do you call it? I spoke for the tetanus shot. Then from that from there I went to a medical. Then came back to the doctor and I took that tetanus shot. Uh, then I came back to the Raju tea stall. Raju said tea is finished, so I have to go to the main road again, Xperia Mall. Then I had a tea. Then I came back. बाहर जीपीएस बहुत मजबूत हो रहा है और यहाँ पर J7 से एक्टिविटी भी हो रहा है. दो चीज़ें एक साथ कैसे क्या हो रहा है? एक फ़ोन दो चीज़ें कैसे क्या कर रहा है? दो चीज़ें एक साथ कैसे क्या हो गया है? बाहर ट्रांजैक्शन भी हो रहा है, जीपीएस प्रूफ भी हो रहा है और घर पे भी एक्टिविटी हो रहा है. दो चीज़ें एक साथ कैसे क्या हो रहा है? You know something? The stuff which they have done, that's why they have to hide behind a pussy. They want a pussy in front. So they could put me into that pussy cage. But I played my cards right from the beginning. You never got my cards. I'm playing a F card. So the one who claims my data should be a faggot and a trans hooker and who is in the prostitution racket. So first they have to go to what? 3 years of for prostitution. Then they can say that somehow I am connected to them. And those are the who? Bank transaction men. Will they say they are the trans hookers? I played my cards right. I go clean. I go out from here. I go out clean. Keep their AI shit with themselves. Keep their hidden camera shit with themselves. Keep their scam calls with themselves. Keep every shit to themselves. Their own shit. Swim in that shit. You have shat so much. I mean,